Morna, this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today I have Happy Mail from Holly's Dolly Hobby. I love that channel name, and I always mess it up. It's like a little tongue twister fun, like she sells seashells at the seashore. Before we open that, I want to show you what Darren bought me. I've said before that he buys stuff for me and surprises me in December and March, Christmas and my birthday. And he bought this towel for me. Our house, well, before the dolls, used to be done in everything bicycles. And I absolutely love this towel, only it's a weird, I don't know, they make towels anymore so that they don't really absorb water.
Well, and I don't like it because there's no easy way to hang it and still see the bicycle. The bicycle will be upside down.
Put a dowel up with a string or something. We can't really use it for a towel.
That's what I've got it for.
But I don't know. I still like it. I like it a lot because life is a journey and have fun all the way. Okay, let's open this from Holly. And I have to tell you what I told Darren. I don't know where she shops, but when Holly sends stuff, she always sends like fancy boxes. Let's see about this.
It's a filament box.
Oh, it sure is. Well, that's cool. 3D printer is what Darren's talking about. The filament, the fiber that comes on a spool that makes this stuff. Speaking of boxes, Tracy from Eclectic Wandering is going to be having a box, I don't know, what would you call that? A box challenge where you take a box and decorate it for a doll, which I think is cool. Holly has the coolest channel. Holly is so blessed. I mean, so blessed. She has one, if not two, doll clubs that she goes to, and we are talking really fun. Like, they have lunch and have table prizes. They do doll shows. Go to her channel and take a look. It's really incredible. And Holly has been getting some really cool dolls, not only as table gifts, but at the shows and stuff. Here we go. Finally, I'm in this lovely box. Dolls Rescued. Oh, this is cute. Home for the holidays. Oh, there's all kinds of stuff in here. Oh, this is from the dolls. Dear Martin and Darren, have a holly jolly from Holly Christmas, and may God bless you both in the new year. Here are just a few fun dolly items to enjoy and a few 3D prints too. Thank you. Merry Christmas. Holly's Dolly Hobby. See, I can read it. Well, sometimes I can't. I'm dyslexic. But look at this. These are printouts. Isn't that cool? For your dolls. Oh, there's more than one. Oh, there's more than two. How cool is that? Oh, these are really fun. Thank you. And this is the example. That is fun, fun, fun. Beautiful tissue paper. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Look at the Viewmaster. Is that adorable? Oh, I love that. Look at here. Oh, isn't that cute for the girls? And a little tree. The stocking is cute enough, but it has, oh, isn't that fun? It's full. I mean, there is stuff in, oh, look at the owl. How cute is that for my Wednesday Addams and Dolls Gone Golf days? Love that. Love, love, love that. Okay, and there's more too. Oh, little square kitty. Oh, that's so cute. Don't miss that little tail.
Minecraft.
Oh, that is so cute. Cute for the dolls. Yeah. And this for my AG dolls is perfect. Yeah, American Girl dolls. And then there are more wrapped items. This is really fun, Holly. Thank you so much. You are so, oh, wow. Look at this guy. A golden puppy in a little basket. with a little bed. Oh, how cute. Cute, cute, cute. Wait, there's something else in here. Oh, I bet this came off of here. It did, right there. Right here. Let's put that back. A little gingerbread house that my dolls, oh wait, there's something else. There is a bead that came off of something, and this. Very cool. Let's see how I carefully open this. Yeah, I'm not a very careful kind of person. Okay, here we go. Figured it out. Didn't tear it up. Oh, how stinking cute is that? Oh, that's beautiful. That could be used as an ornament, or what I will use it for, a doll prop. That is so cute. And there's still more. Oh, look at this. Little bow. Oh, that is so, and you know what? There's something under that bow. Seems to be. Let's see. Yep, there is something under that bow. Oh, a little star for top of a tree. How cute. Oh, I bet it's for the top of this. How cute are these sweaters? I love these. Oh, a little glue needed there. I love these for the Barbies and the Blythes. They're so cute and so fun, and a little pair of jeans just makes that pop. Holly, I cannot thank you enough. Let me put this back together. Holly is a lot of fun. Go by her channel and see what all she has. What was that doll she just got? Oh my goodness, it's a toner doll. Prudence. Go see her Prudence. It's worth it. The eyes do a little something. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.